I'm using this steak seasoning from the Dollar Tree. Put in my ground beef. I need to save a little bit, and I need to run over there today to see if I can find another one. I'm gonna put a little extra black pepper in there. I'm gonna put a lot of onion in there. And a lot of garlic. I'm gonna make something that hopefully turns out well. Just making hamburgers, boys and girls. Stop messing around wondering. Hopefully I didn't put too much meat in there. I'm trying to save some for my spaghetti that I want to have tonight. There's a little bit of water. Okay. Woo! Smells delicious. Smells delicious. I'm making little hamburgers, but I want them a little thicker. I think that's a little bit, that's like a normal hamburger right there. So I'm going to take some of that. Maybe I'll take some of that too. You know, sometimes they shrink. I'm banking on it shrinking. Every time I move it, it pop out. Now, I'm not trying to make 3 burgers, but I ended up with 3 burgers. And I don't want to... No, you know what? I'm going to put that meat with my pasta meat. I only need 2 burgers for what I'm making right now. You see it bubbling up, boys and girls? Ooh, that smells good. Ooh. Mild cheddar. It is after 1 p.m. and I haven't had a stitch of food in my mouth. So I'm going to open up this salami real quick and have me a slice. And this is what I'm going to use for my bread. I think with the size of those burgers, I'm only going to be able to get one in my belly. So I'm only going to make one. Oh, I thought these come already cut. They don't. I should have took the bread out before I made the hamburger. But they look like they're shrinking. I've decided to make two of them. I'm not sure, but I think my doorbell's about to ring. Woo, look at that. Yes, boys and girls. Woo. See the nicely melted cheese? Okay, boys and girls. Now this is a mini burger, my version of White Castles. mm. 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 Oh, mm. 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 Oh, way better. Mm. Mm. Oh, mm. I haven't had a hamburger in so long. Mm. Woo. Mm. 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 Garlic and the onion. Boom. Yes, boys and girls. Mm. 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 Boys and girls, let me tell you something. Sometimes it is so hard to stand at this door. Oh, don't mind my big old box. I got a delivery today. Yes, I did. You know what happens with those samples. Anyway, it is so hard sometimes to stand at the stove and cook. My ankle was bothering me from the time I was at my mother's house, and I knew I wasn't gonna be able to stand at the stove and make the spaghetti like I wanted it to make. But this right here, this is good, very good. Mm, 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 mm. Oh, so good. Mm. I got a sample today to review. Beautiful chair, boys and girls. Beautiful chair today. So I took my dining chair away from where I was sitting, and yesterday I was doing a video, and my back was hurting me in that chair. Today I got to replace that chair with this chair. I'll show you later on, but it's definitely not a normal dining chair. It looks like a recliner for your living room, but it's not. Anyway, thank you so much for liking, subscribing, and freaking sharing my videos. Boys and girls, YouTube gave me some little sprinkles like confetti, but I don't know why I got the confetti. I just know I did something good. Ow! Yes, the girl's doing something good. I am loving this channel. Thank you so much. And I want to mention, this is my second day not taking my depression medicine. So if you notice any changes, please alert me to them. I'm going to try to keep myself aware to notify my doctor. But I realized that the massive hot flashes coming from my depression medicine. So last night, no hot flashes. Today, no hot flashes. Now we already know people get hot, but that massive stuff that caused me all that crying, 2 days now, I've been getting relief. So it is definitely leaving my system. Have a wonderful day, and thank you so much. Bye-bye.